Bliss has finally developed the last piece to support the entire box build line. This is the Flex conveyor. Conveyor is a brand new product that Bliss has designed specifically to improve the efficiency in your facility. It is an easily reconfigurable system that literally clamps together with no tools needed. It's so unique that it's patent pending. You can rearrange your entire facility on the fly as needed. The best part is you no longer need to hire contractors, get permits, or bolt things to the floor. Simply have your electricity brought in via drop cable overhead, making it simple to move your power as you rotate your line. Instead of it taking months to set up your facility, it can take only a few weeks. Here is how the process works. First, call Bliss and let us know what size facility you're working with. Then let us know approximately how you would like your line to flow, how many workstations you would like, and any specific areas you would like on your line. Bliss engineers will then make recommendations based on your requests. In a matter of days, you will be able to log on to our website and see your line fully configured visually. You can make any changes you like to get the configurations as close to perfect as possible. Then you just order the pieces. In a matter of weeks, all the pieces will show up via blanket wrap carrier. The driver will have your drawing in hand and will actually quick clamp the entire line together per your approved layout. Yes, it is that simple. Your brand new line will be up and running in just a matter of hours. Now, how does this revolutionary conveyor work and what options are there? Let's start at the beginning. You roll the chassis pallet cart with the chassis assembly pallet into your stockroom area and kit it directly in the stockroom, making Kanban no longer necessary. You put the empty chassis on the top of the unit and the components in the bottom pallet area. Then roll the cart over to the start of the line. The Bliss lift takes the pallet out of the cart and places it into the pickup station. Your technician then moves the pallet down the line to the first workstation. It is here that the options begin, and they are endless. You can either have the roller conveyor continue or switch to a ball transfer section as we show here. The technician at the workstation simply pulls it on to the ball transfer workstation and clamps it into place. The clamping mechanism holds the tray firmly in place while at the workstation. It is easy to clamp and unclamp the tray so that the technician can easily rotate the unit as needed. The workstation itself can come in any type of configuration with almost any accessory you can think of. It can be a freestanding unit in your facility, bought separately to add to your current line, or can interface perfectly with any section of your Flex conveyor line. As the product moves through the line, you will have the chassis cart at the other end prepared to remove the now fully configured chassis. You can then proceed to burn-in, storage, pack out, or whatever the next step may be. The assembly pallet is available to be used as a stationary piece at your workstations as well. It supports a 19-inch rack mount chassis and makes it easy to get to all sides of the chassis. Now, if you prefer to not have side workstations and would prefer to have it in one straight shot, you just change it. There are so many various ways to configure your line. You can add a U-shape right here to make turns and use your space effectively, or place straight line sections end to end to create a straight flow line with pickup stations at each end. The conveyor system is so easy to reconfigure that you can go from a straight line to a 90-degree turn in under 1 minute. running in just minutes. And if you decide that maybe you would run better rotated 180 degrees, then just pop the floor lock and rotate the entire line. This product is very different from normal conveyors because it affords you the opportunity to make even the slightest change at any moment. You won't need to fuss with tools, bolts, drills, or permits. It is every engineer's dream. Since it's so easy to maneuver, you can just move sections or add sections as they become necessary. And it is because of this revolutionary flexibility that we have multiple patents pending. So when your general manager comes to you at the end of the day to inform you you're starting a whole new project tomorrow, you will know that since you have the Bliss Flex Conveyor, you'll be able to rearrange your entire line for that new project and be home in time for dinner.